is what I'm seeing. This is what I saw. Parade is going on that way. And I said I would have come and see what it looked like. And this is what I'm seeing. So this is on the top of Central Park. Tons of bicycles. It's not funny. It's not funny, it's reality. So I'll be back. This is all what I saw.
You gotta stop them at some point. No, they don't want to do anything.
Bikes was going by for like 5 minutes and people get pissed. Every year they comes out. Bikes just going by. Tons of bikes. Never ending. Like 5 minutes of bikes. Nice setup, man. All right. Bikes just keep going by. So literally like 5 minutes of bikes. A lot of backlights in this angle here. This is what I saw. This is what I'm seeing. I think this year more than usual. Wow. They wanted bikes in the city and bikes just never stop. Say like 5 minutes. Never ending bikes and they pop in wheelie on there. Glad I wasn't trying to. Never ending bikes. Not like they're coming around in a circle. They all new bikes because they're not allowing them to come back. Sorry. This is not stopping. I thought like 10 minutes of bikes now. This is the most bikes I ever saw at the parade, and I've been coming for a while.
I haven't seen that many though before.
I haven't seen so. Even this guy said that. Never seen so much. This is some kind of social media meetup or something. saw so much before. Never saw so much before. I've been doing this for years.
Here comes to the numbers.
Are they still coming? They're still coming? Damn. This is an unauthorized parade. Hey, look. Hey, radio man. I'm sorry, let me see hello. Hi, radio man. Acting on the SAG actor. I haven't seen you for a while. I'm a SAG actor. I haven't seen you for a while. No, I use the two canes.
Yeah, but
I'm just doing the parade, but I still use two canes.
you still using the cane?
Yeah.
Are you in a wheelchair too?
No, well, I'm doing the parade, so I'm in the wheelchair to get
You're
around.
in the parade?
Yeah. I just taking pictures of the parade.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. All right, man. Nice seeing you.
You got the parade here, you got these nuts on the parade.
Yeah, I like taking parade.
I can't move. Look at this.
Yep.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
We're still out.
This has been going on for like 10 minutes now, you know.
And the least, there's over 1,000 people.
Yeah, we I haven't worked since April because of the strike.
Yeah. Well, it'll be over in about 2 more weeks, I guarantee.
Oh, 2 more weeks? Oh, okay.
We start making progress in talking.
Okay.
Yeah, we should be.
Hopefully I'll see you on set again. All right, man. Thanks. At least you remember me with my 2 canes because I'm like,
Good to see you. Take
you
care.
too, thanks. Sorry. Radio man, the living legend. Legend, Radio Man. You're just going to see us back. SAG rules, I'm not going to show his face. But the living legend, Radio Man. And you actually remember me. Radio Man. If you're in the business long enough, Radio Man take everybody's job one time or the other because he's so good. Thank you. All right, so that's, I'm gonna cut this.